My name is Jessica Mendez. I'm a senior environmental engineer with Wood. When the first few storms came in and damaged the refuge, they were still trying to force it back into a freshwater system and just repair it and continue the way they had managed it for almost 30 years. And I think the last straw was when Hurricane Sandy came through and devastated the marsh so greatly that they realized doing this was not sustainable. The ocean was just spilling into this marsh. It was just dead trees and mud as far as you could see for miles. So Wood's job was to construct these channels as well as plant the native grasses to protect the marsh against future large storm systems. So try and give it the means to repair itself. So we had to do it in a way that coordinated with all of the other work that was going on, but do it as quickly as possible. The area where we first started very quickly was built up with this side cast material, and right away you could see birds come in and landing on this area. Small shoots of grasses come up, and we could tell right away that this was going to work. One of the cool things about the project was a small bird called a piping plover. It's an endangered species, and it's something that hasn't been seen in the refuge for quite a long time, but it was kind of a big deal to see that little bird come out and nest on the beach. To bring that back to be part of that is really something to be proud of.